Here we go. Yeah, you guessed it. I'm heading to the depot. I got a nice little job lined up today. A couple of them. Today will be, believe it or not, a doorbell installation. And I'm not talking about the Ring or any of those smart devices. It's a basic old school doorbell, chime, couple of doorbells front and back with the transformer. So stay tuned. We'll be in Home Depot in a few seconds, and we're going to look for this contractor's kit, and we'll take it from there. One thing I like to do, I never talked about it, is when you're doing a job, side job for someone, you give an estimate. I use the app. I go on the Home Depot app, and I pull up the items I'm looking for, okay? So here, and then I write it down. So when I get to Home Depot, I know where I gotta go. I'm in and out. I don't wanna waste any time, and I stick to what I need. Because I can go in there and end up buying a bunch of tools and everything else, and I gotta stay focused. And you guys and ladies and gentlemen, you know what I'm talking about. So what I'll do is I'll write down, like today, the doorbell, okay? I went online. It's 29 bucks. And I always put on your app, if you click on the item, it gives you the aisle, okay? And it gives you the bay number. So you know where to go. I mean, I've been in here a lot of times, so I know where to find like the Quikrete, But what I'll do is I'll put the price down. I put the aisle 10, bay 10 for the doorbell. So when I get in there, I know where to go. Same with the Quikrete and the power washing. I got to do a little power washing today too. I put the aisles, I put the bays, I have the prices pretty much written down so I can give someone an estimate, okay? But that's another video on estimating jobs. But that's it. If you're setting up for a job, it's a nice way to, stay on budget, get what you need, get in and out, save time. And when you save time, you're saving, money. All right, so I'm heading into the depot. I'm going to get what I need, and we'll see what happens. Thank you. All right, like I said, okay, you look for the aisle 10, and we're going to go down to bay 10. And the bays are obviously these numbers here. And here it is, the contractor kit. You got the front and back door, you got the transformer, and you got the chime. 29 bucks. I tell you, the app works like a charm, okay? Put it in the cart, and we're gonna head off and we're gonna find our Quikrete. And what else did I need? Oh, the power washing soap. But remember, check the app, make sure they have it in stock. Once you get here, you know where to go and you save time. All right, now we're gonna go and get the pressure washer soap. Aisle 52, bay 8. So let's go down to 8 and see what we have. Here it is. You remember the video from almost a year ago. I picked this guy up, the 3100. Beautiful machine with the idle down. I highly recommend it if you're looking for a pressure washer. All right, so listen, we have bay 8. We're gonna come, here we are. I'll tell you, that app is something else. You have to use it. So we're gonna grab this at a deal, $9.98. All right, we're gonna put this in the cart, and we're gonna head off to the next item, and we'll see you at the job. Thank you. All right, on my way out to check out, I got to stop and see what kind of deals they have, on the Octane. Ran into one of the salesmen, nice guy. He gave me some information that if I buy, and what I need, you know, I need these octane batteries with that charger, that help in the trailer, I can get one of these tools free. And because I don't have a grinder at this minute, I'm going to get this guy here. It's $179. You get 2 3-amp-hour batteries with a charger, and this will be free. So I'm going to go for that, and stay tuned with the unboxing of these. I know what you're thinking. Stay on budget, go in for the job, you know, get your materials needed and head out. But sometimes when there's a deal, you can't pass it up. And you know, when you're starting a business, you want to reinvest and make sure you have all the tools you need, so there's no issue in the future. So if you do see a deal, go with it, okay? You invest in your business and you'll make money in the long run. All right, we're at the job, okay? We're all set up. We're gonna head in. We're gonna start off with the contractor kit doorbell. All right, so you come in, you locate the old chime, and this cover usually just comes off. Okay, we're gonna remove the low voltage wire, take this off the wall, and we're gonna mount the new one. All right, so you come outside, you take the old one off, clean the area, and pop the new one on. That one has a little light that's tied into the transformer, so you have that light at night. Make sure you do your wiring correctly. The front doorbell has the ding dong and the back door has the single, so you know who's ringing which door. Pay attention to that when you do this. And these basically click on, and then grab a level. Make sure your job is level. All right, we're at the back door. Okay, we're gonna change this out. This is basic, okay? You got a flathead. You're gonna pull this off. You're gonna have 2 wires. They're low voltage, nothing to worry about. You're not gonna get shocked. And if you see the 2 screws there, you're gonna back off each one. You're gonna put 1 wire on this one and 1 on this one here. Doesn't matter what color or what way you do it, because when you push the doorbell, when you push the button, these 2 pieces of metal touch, completing the circuit, therefore sending the signal out to the chime. And that's it. You're pretty much done after that. This is what it looks like. If you were wondering, you're going to unscrew this here. You're going to take this wire off, okay? And you're going to unscrew this one. See, I could touch them both and you don't get a shock. It's not a big deal. Loosen this up, and then again, you're going to take your new doorbell and you're going to just put them back on the screws, and then put this thing against the wall, and you got the holes there. You send the screws in. That's it. One other thing that comes in real handy on jobs like this, because these screws are very small, and you know, you tend to put them in your pocket or you put them down somewhere and you lose them. That's what I'm talking about. The Mago grip, okay? These things, look, I'm shaking it around, look, and they're there. So they're always there when you need them. Look it up, Mago grip. It's a magnetic strap, or a wristband, I'm sorry. And you know what? It comes in handy when you're doing light fixtures, anything with small screws. You just throw them on there, and you know they're there. Look, you swing your hand, nothing. And you know they're there when you need them. So we're gonna put them back. We're gonna take these screws, obviously we're gonna screw them into here, and we're good to go. We're finished with this job. Again, thank you for watching my videos. I appreciate it. Thanks for all the new subscribers. And if you like, share the video, like the video, you know, hit the bell at the bottom. You know what to do on the bottom right-hand corner there. So every time I post a video, you'll get the updates, okay? Next job, look forward to power washing right here. This patio, okay, it's flagstone. We got to move some stuff, obviously, get it out of the way. And then I'm going to prepare it. I'm going to throw the soap down, let it sit for a little bit, and we're going to go to town with the Ryobi 3100. So stay tuned for that next video, and we'll talk to you soon. Again, thank you for watching and taking the time. Take care.